Hi, I'm Dr. Panchal. Let me describe you the procedure of what has become to be known as a Brazilian butt lift BBL or a fat augmentation of the buttock. As we age, women know that the girth increases, there is collection of fat in places you don't want to see, and you miss the shape that you had when you were much youthful and many times before you had your children. Well, this procedure helps you to correct both those problems when you have excess fat around your tummy, in your love handles, and in your lower back. At the same time, utilize that fat, this is the area of recycling, and put it back into your buttocks to create a shape that is very aesthetically pleasing and is similar to the shape that you had when you were much younger. The procedure is done as an aesthetic and takes generally around 2 hours to perform. It includes two components. The first component is doing a liposuction of the area where I need to take the fat out. For example, for your tummy, the abdomen, the flanks, which is your love handles, and your lower back. This allows us to create an hourglass shape, and that creates a very natural look. All the fats when taken out with this liposuction is then purified, and then we have a method of re-injecting this fat back into your buttocks within your fatty tissue of the buttocks to create a rounder contour. The fat is not injected without any plan. However, we inject the fat based upon what you wish to see is the final shape of your buttock. We may inject some in the center area, some on the sides to create the look that you wish for. Around 25% of the fat that comes out from the liposuction can be reutilized to inject within the buttock area. This now creates the hourglass figure, at the same time creates a buttock that looks augmented, natural. We live in Oklahoma, so we don't create very light buttocks, so don't worry about that. We create a natural looking person who has got the enhanced shape just like you had 15, 20 years ago. The procedure has a downtime for approximately a week or so. Be aware that there will be some swelling, some bruising in your buttocks, and of course some pain too. But then there is no gain without any pain. We all know that. When you do this procedure, you have to wear a garment that for approximately 4 to 6 weeks, but you can start your exercises within around 2.5 weeks. As the swelling settles down, the firmness in your buttock will settle down. At the end of 3 months, you look in the mirror and say, wow, I'm so happy I chose Genesis to do this procedure. Thank you very much for listening.